Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're creating this stunning beaded daisy flower ring. If you love unique accessories, be sure to explore my other designs in the playlist linked above. Here we have 5 light pink 3mm seed beads and 1 white seed bead for the center. Closely check the way I am passing the thread from the beads. Use same step for the other end. Now take 1 pink bead and cross it from thread to make a flower. Take 1 1.5mm seed bead plus 1 3mm crystal plus 1 1.5mm seed bead on both sides. Now cross 1 pink bead. Add 2 pink beads on both sides. Add 1 white bead by inserting from the both ends for the center of the flower, and then add 1 pink bead, cross the thread and make a flower. Repeat the process until the desired length. Meanwhile, I am trying to make it stronger. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel. By the way, thank you for your love and support. I am happy to announce that the monetization of my channel is approved. Tie multiple knots to secure it tightly. And cut the extra fishing line.